Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 5,000 amp 9 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 480 volt 3-phase. Has been tested, checked out here at Lanco's in very good working condition. Turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Overall dimensions 42 inches long by 34 inches wide by 65 inches high. Weighs roughly 1,400 pounds. Does come with a remote control. Here it is. To start it, hit the start button. Take a look at the O-scope wave over here. Very nice unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.